Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 12.5 Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of online security and anonymity. If you've been searching for a fast, reliable, and secure VPN, look no further. We'll explore ClashVPN, the ultimate solution for anonymous browsing, whether you're in the USA, China, or anywhere else in the world. Make sure to stick around for the step-by-step guide on installation and setup. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Step 1. Let's start with the installation process. First, download ClashVPN for your preferred platform. It's available on Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. If you're using Android, head over to the Play Store, search for ClashVPN, and select the app from the search results. Tap Install, and it'll take just a few minutes to download. For other platforms, visit the ClashVPN official website to download the appropriate version. Keep in mind that there are two types of ClashVPN apps, one with default servers and another with custom configuration settings. We'll discuss the second option in another video. Step 2. Once ClashVPN is installed, launch the app, and you'll land on the home screen. Step 3. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Sign Up. This will open the account creation form. Enter your email address, request a verification code, input the code, and create your account. It's quick and easy. Step 4. Now that your account is ready, return to the home screen. Here, you can choose a server from the available options. ClashVPN offers free servers, regular servers, and VIP servers. Pick the one that suits your needs. Step 5. Finally, tap the Start button to connect to the VPN. Once connected, your internet activity is secure and anonymous. To confirm your IP address has changed, visit a website like What is my IP address? Conclusion, and that's it. You're now equipped with a fast and secure VPN for all your anonymous browsing needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.